Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. Nice big juicy inverse head and shoulders brewing here. I just want to drop that a bit. You can see right where price is. I'm going to draw it in, but there is a left shoulder, there's a head, and there's a right shoulder. So some people will take it from there. I would look at the breakout higher up. So that's what I would look at, because this would just take it to a cup and handle anyway. But nevertheless, that is sort of the structure that's in play. A nice decent break above 110.089 would bring that into play. For me at the moment, big move up, pullback, and then we've continued this week, and now we're busy pulling back. What are we pulling back to? You need to ask that. It's a question, and there's the first level there, 109.590, and then there is a little range bar a little bit further down right here at 109.328. Okay, oscillators not giving us much. To me, it looks like a big triangle that's forming. So solid move up, big triangle. You draw the line along the top and the bottom, and that'll give it to you. We drop down 3 hour. That's your cue to hit that like button for us. Share, comment, mention. Any interaction would be appreciated. So just looking left, you can see those levels don't really change. This is a level of support that I would be paying very close attention to. You can see we've had a swing high, prices on it at the moment, and then we sort of got above it, didn't find support, got below it, got above it, got below it, and now we're back above it again. So we're looking for price to come into this zone for an opportunity to buy. At the moment, oscillators are not indicating that that's a wise decision. But if we drop down to the 1 hour, you'll see we are starting to roll over. So by the time the market's actually open, or the Europeans open, we should have retraced a little bit here and come off our overbought situation that we find ourselves in right now. So yesterday was a fairly solid green day. You can see we opened on our low and closed fairly high to our high, closed very close to our high, and nothing really there. Okay, so what we're looking for is opportunity for this to continue. Now you can see this level, how significant this level was yesterday at 109.328. And you can see break, no entry there, although you could have taken that entry because it brought these levels here into play. Let's just use a level so you can see what I'm talking about. So look at this little range it formed here, came back onto it and then pulled away. So this shows you how the structure of the day also is important. So that was at 109.284. But the bigger level on the higher time frame is an 8 hour one, which is 109.328. You can see we broke above it, we closed below it, so you know it's coming back to this level. So it comes back. That would have been a second entry. If you manage to get in here, keep your stop there. The minute you got this engulfing bar here, add to your position, move your stop up to here. So that would have protected these contracts that you bought here, and that as soon as this got going, you could have moved the stop to entry here, and that would have protected both entries. But anyway, that you kind of pick up as you get more and more experienced. So for now, muted right now, nothing really going on. I still think this is my level, 109.590. Don't think anything over here is going to come into play. So that's what I'm looking for. 109.590, looking for a move back to the upside. And obviously the high of yesterday would be tested, but ultimately I'm looking for 110.089. That's what I'm looking for to the upside. I'm looking for this high to be tested. Break through that 110 area over here. So let's just call it 110. We break through 110, get a close above there. That validates a big cup and handle, and then we'd be looking to buy off the structure for a bigger move to the upside. Okay, so for me today, that's pretty much almost a scalp. If you think about it, I'm looking for us to buy off here. You're probably going to end up with, let's just say 150, 200 point stop loss. And I'm looking for 470 point gain. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.